today's episode, I'm going to be replacing my starter. I've already removed the starter and went out and got me a new one. Cute little thing. They're just tiny. But what was going on was when I rebuilt the Suzuki, I never did nothing with the starter, and it started fine all the time, and then just one day you'd hit the key and all it would do was zing, it would turn over, right? Kind of like as if it's not shooting out the start gear, the Bendix or whatever. So I figured, it's the solenoid is weak or it's dirty or something, so I took these bolts off here, took the solenoid off. There's a little piston in there. It's probably worked electromagnetically, slides it back and forth, and it works an arm that pushes out the start gear. So I cleaned all that up, put it back together, hit the key, zing, same sort of thing. And like maybe 10% of the time you would actually turn it over, but by the time you turn it and it's zing, 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 and then you hit it and it does turn over and you let off, then you go back to zing, 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 So I finally got frustrated with it. And I went and got me a new one. So I've already pulled the old one out. This is just going to be a very quick video of showing you how to put it in, and removal is just reverse of this process. So let's watch and see how this goes. I'm sure it'll work awesome. So if you can see down there, you can see that I've already removed the starter out of here. Here's the main power feed to the old starter. And I'm just going to clean that up because it looks like there's maybe a little bit of corrosion on there already. And I'm going to put some dielectric grease on there. It's all brand new, so brand new cables that I made for it and whatnot, so it should be good. But it should only take me a few minutes and this thing will be in and ready to go. So pretty much the first thing you just got to do is drop the starter down through the hole from up top, back. Bolt that goes through on the top side. And there's this. This is your wire here that activates it. It gets pushed on. You always want to make sure you disconnect the batteries. If you're leaving it live and you start touching this cable to stuff, you're going to short arc out, cause a fire maybe. Sparks for sure. Make sure he's good and tight. Put the boot back over. Then you take your ground cable and hang it right to the bottom of the starter bolt. Now all we have to do is hook up our power wires again and we're smiling. So there we go. That's the starter. It's like a 5-minute job when you're not trying to video it, So let's try and start this baby. So it works like a charm. Awesome. And stay tuned for some future episodes. I'm going to be doing a diff breathers for the front rear diff. That's another fairly simple job. And diff armor's coming up. There'll also be the thumb throttle. I'll be putting the thumb throttle in after I get this unit certified on Friday. So yeah, I'd like to thank you guys for watching Suzuki Evolution. Please subscribe to these videos if they're helpful and they're what you like. Leave some comments below. Hit the little bell so you can be notified on future videos. And we'll catch you guys next time.